How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, namaskar, sat sri akal. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And as you can see from behind me, the screen, the sun is out and it's beautiful. It's getting a little pleasant and actually unpredictable weather. So a lot of people cuffing around. I mean, I've been in and out of some great bilateral meetings and amazing event at Marva Studio, followed by this international event by CII. Business interactions. A lot of people I could hear were coughing. So, what is my recommendation? My recommendation is get hold of vitamin C, do your goggles, do some steaming, stay a little, layered and stuff, and step out in the sun. Get your sleep if you're sleeping, and rest if you're not feeling well and you're feeling feverish and stuff. And the best part is you could use it and your time to have some amazing coffee. This is some nice black coffee, an international flavor, and I'm inspired to share smelling this coffee, the benefits of coffee. Why am I doing the share on coffee? Because it's winters, and with the change of weather and stuff, people can get blues. And this is a time when people fall sick and stuff. And if you've followed international countries and stuff, a lot of people get into the mode of feeling sick and unwell. I would like to avoid the word depression, but yes, that happens also because of lack of sun and a lot of snow and everything. Fortunately, it doesn't happen in Delhi, but you never know, what somebody is going through and stuff. So this is a video highlighting the positives of drinking coffee. Coffee, which is one of my favorite, it is consumed everywhere. There's a lot of coffee cafeterias, hotels, which are booming in India and globally, and they're serving all kinds of coffees and stuff. But my share right now is on black coffee. So, black coffee is something which is not preferred by many because people have a taste for cappuccino. Even I did, till about a few years back. But in Corona, I shifted to having black coffee. Yes, it was important for me to have black coffee because I knew the positives of it. And a lot of people have said that, when we drink coffee, we're not able to sleep and stuff. But over the past few days, I've been having a lot of beverages, chai, coffee, and stuff to keep myself alert and up. I mean, also because of the medicines that I'm having and stuff. So I'm enjoying, even if I was on medicines and stuff, I genuinely love coffee and enjoy chai a lot. So, what is my share all about? I've already said this in the beginning that is coffee good for you? So, there's this thing about not being able to sleep or getting irritated or angry or not being able to do your work if you're addicted to coffee. It's true, but the point is that if you have anything in moderation like alcohol or food, let's say about 3 to 4 cups of coffee a day, it doesn't affect you badly and stuff. So, let me share with you a few lines here that I have before me. So, for most individuals, the beginning of the day is not complete without having coffee. The reason is this because once you've got hooked on to coffee, you're going to be more alert, you're going to be concentrating a lot more, and coffee is much better than having anything, at a time when adults and children and youth get into habits like drugs and stuff. Always a good idea to have coffee because coffee gives you that instant boost, which is also an elevator in your energy, not just the mood and stuff, and you feel much much better. So what kind of coffee should one have? So ideally, is recommended is a black coffee. I've already shared this because what happens is with black coffee, your system starts improving and getting better. It helps you combat a lot of diseases, which I read a few years back. Also, I still read it in the morning that your liver gets better. You think better, you're more alert, you don't feel sleepy very easily, you're able to concentrate on everything. And if you're going to go into details of medical research and sciences of international countries, you'll know that it helps you combat a lot of diseases like too early in life to talk about this, but it kind of helps you get over Alzheimer. It helps you get over diabetes and stuff. It keeps your sugar also in check and all. And for people who've got heart diseases, people who've got liver issues and stuff, coffee is definitely recommended any day. In spite of the fact that it's got that acute taste and stuff which people don't like. Yeah. So let me take you on to video two to share more on coffee, because what I written down here apparently seems that the article has got deleted in my own language. So let me come back. Okay, I'll just come back in my next video. Yeah.